Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, there lived a young woman named Allison. She was a stunning model, with skin that shimmered like the Caribbean sun and eyes that sparkled with dreams of a brighter future. Allison's life was all glitz and glamour, but deep down, she yearned for something real, something that could ignite her with emotions. One hot summer evening, while walking through the colorful streets of New Kingston, Allison's path crossed with Sean, a young man whose smile was as warm as a Jamaican sunset. Sean was a talented musician, pouring his heart into reggae melodies that told stories of love, life, and hope. He was humble, kind, and had a spark in his eyes that no spotlight could ever match. Their worlds collided when Sean was busking outside a busy cafe, and Allison, passing by, was drawn to his soulful voice. She stopped, captivated by the raw emotion in his music. Sean noticed her immediately, her radiant presence, her grace, her genuine smile. Without hesitation, he invited her to dance to his tune. As they swayed to the rhythm of reggae, something sparked, an intense connection that they could not ignore. They started communicating, and within days the streets seemed to pulse with their heartbeat, their laughter blending with the music. For the first time in her glamorous life, Allison felt truly alive, as she spent her days dancing to the drums in Sean's song. Over the next few weeks, they spent every moment together, exploring Kingston's vibrant markets, sharing jerk chicken on the beach, and singing under the starry sky. Their love was fierce and passionate, a true Jamaican energy that burned brighter with each day. Allison realized that Sean's love was more valuable than any runway walk or magazine cover. It was pure, real, and intense. One evening, as the sun dipped below the blue mountains, Sean took Allison's hand and looked into her eyes. With a voice trembling with emotion, he promised to cherish her forever, his voice blending into the gentle reggae breeze. Allison, tears of happiness shining in her eyes, knew she had found her true love, a love as joyful and beautiful as the island itself. And so, in the heart of Kingston, amid the rhythm of life and love, Allison and Sean's story became legendary, a testament to the power of passion music and the magic of a Jamaican summer love.